Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Coinbase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Coinbase. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, go to coinbase.com and sign into your account. Tap Buy or Sell. You will be shown two options, and I recommend using your bank account. So tap Bank Account and tap Continue. Now choose the bank of your choice, then log into your bank account and tap Submit. Now that your bank account is linked to your Coinbase, you can add money to Coinbase. And that's how you add money to Coinbase. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.